Title: Unleash Your Adventure. Experience the freedom of our high-performance electric scooter. Opening scene. Hey there, fellow thrill seekers. Are you tired of the daily grind? Stuck in traffic, wishing for a faster, more fun way to commute? Or perhaps you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for an easy and eco-friendly way to explore new trails? Well, we have just the thing for you. Let me introduce you to our game-changing electric scooter for adults. Scene 1: Introducing the product. This isn't your average scooter. With its sleek design and robust construction, it's built for adults who value style, performance, and versatility. Equipped with either a 350W or a powerful 500W motor, this beast can reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour or 22 miles per hour, respectively. But wait, there's more. Our scooter boasts large 8.5-inch or 10 tires, providing a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter the terrain. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising through parks, or tackling off-road trails, this scooter is ready for action. Scene 2: The app experience. Now, let's talk about our user-friendly app. With 4 versions to choose from: V1, SPRO, Max, and Pro, you can customize your ride experience to suit your needs. From speed settings and battery life monitoring to route planning and diagnostics, the app puts you in control. Scene 3: Practical uses and features. Imagine zipping through traffic, bypassing those long lines of cars, or effortlessly gliding along a scenic trail on a beautiful day. Our electric scooter is perfect for commuters, students, adventurers, and anyone seeking a fun, eco-friendly mode of transport. But it's not all about speed and performance. Safety is paramount. Our scooter is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring quick and reliable stopping power when you need it most. And with built-in LED lights, you'll stay visible even in low light conditions. Scene 4: Dual suspension. Our scooter also comes with a dual suspension system, making bumpy roads feel like smooth cruising. Whether you're navigating potholes, uneven pathways, or steep inclines, this feature ensures a comfortable and stable ride. Scene 5: Folding design. And the best part? Our electric scooter is foldable, making it incredibly convenient to store or transport. Whether you're hopping on public transportation, storing it in your office, or taking it on vacation, this feature adds unparalleled convenience to your life. Scene 6: Comparisons and benefits. Now, let's compare our electric scooter to other models on the market. Many scooters lack the power, range, or robust construction of our model. But with a max range of 21 to 28 miles, a top speed of up to 22 miles per hour, and high-quality materials, our scooter offers unmatched performance and durability. Scene 7: Tips and instructions. To get started, simply download the app, connect it to your scooter, and follow the instructions. Charging time is approximately 4 to 6 hours, depending on the battery capacity. And remember to always read and follow safety guidelines for optimal performance and safety. Closing scene: Call to action. So, are you ready to revolutionize your commute or explore new adventures? Our electric scooter for adults is more than just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle choice. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the freedom, fun, and convenience that our scooter offers. Click the link below to order yours today. End scene. Stay adventurous, friends. See you on the roads or trails.